wash it? No, you did not. Learn how to rinse it off. Is this a part of her? Okay. You're pulling her hair. Oh, you pulled my hair. Why did you do that?
Because I'm trying to get the stick so it can stand up.
You pulled my hair. Yay.
Sorry, mister, because...
It's a mess now. Mister, what are you talking about? Oh, girl.
What's up, bro?
Let me see how you look. Ew, sis, you so ugly. Why? Where's your hair at?
Look mine.
Look at my hair, sis.
Look mine.
I think comment down below who is the best. Mine is this. I'm not done.
Look mine here,
Okay,
Marie. Oh! It fall. No.
This is how mine's gonna be.
Ah! Ah!
The hair is so cute, but the googly eye is gonna make it like.
And this is gonna stand like this. Look.
I bet you guys are wondering how it's just gonna dry. Like.
How do I do this? How do I stand it up? I broke one.
Doesn't mean it can stand.
Get it alone! Well, look at that, bro. Stop gonna paint you.
Somebody using that one. Rinse it off. So Marian's using that. Now put that down.
I'm using it.
Rinse it off. Ow!
Sorry.
Here.
I need to rinse it off. I need to make it to that.
You didn't. I'm tired of doing this. I'm gonna make her hair just flat. On the top, it's gonna be flat. I'm tired of this. It's gonna be a big glob.
I can't do it.
Never say you. What? No, put on some hair first.
Oh.
I know this is a lot of work today, right? You don't wipe it off with your shirt.
This keep on getting on me. So I'm gonna make your bald head in a minute. So it's kind of be shorter. But I'm gonna take that smiley face off. But you better.
Hello, this is the top of my hair.
So in a minute you're about to look bald headed now. Cause I can't wait till you get bald headed.
Where's the glue? What's on it?
But not just yet. You think I'm gonna let you be, hairstyle ugly, and then you were like, yeah, screaming like a little booty.
Her hair is short, not long. I don't want her hair long. Yes, I'm putting random stuff on the top.
I need to cut it, Marie.
Where?
Right here.
Go ahead.
It's long. Tomorrow's gonna cut stuff.
Did you cut yourself?
No.
Oh, I thought he was gonna cut himself. Mine is drying on this little.
And this is.
Alright, no more cutting.
Straining.
No more cutting, boy.
This is straining.
I don't care. Just come on.
Okay. I need to take this off.
Alright, that's enough edges. Glue. We need the scissors.
It's cutting.
I know we need the scissors over here. We're trying to make our hair and you keep hogging up. Stop, you almost hurt her. What if you don't give me back my glue? Then you better use some glue if you're trying to put
Mine
hair on
is
the top.
all the way up.
Like a lot of hair, like I'm doing, you better use glue. But you're not doing that. But you're not doing that. But when you get to doing this like I'm doing, like when you get tired and you just want to put stuff on top,
And I need this
you
ball
should do this.
to crack.
Lots of dreams.
my gosh, I need something to stand.
I need this ball. I need to make it to an 8.
Oh, that hurt. That hurt right there. That hurt.
I made
Mine has the most glue on the table. Let me see right here. There, look. Eyes. Eyes are gonna go. It doesn't show, sadly.
I need to pop this up.
I need scissors.
No, Dorian.
I need scissors.
Sorry, I did that.
Oh, look! I can leave it like that.
Sorry.
I knocked it out.
I'm gonna make some legs. I'm trying to hold it.
Ow!
I'm laughing because the money that. Why did you break it down? Because you like it like that. I just understand. Oh, ready to look at the
I'm not trying to make some big holes. I have a lot of projects to do, so this is not hard for me to do. It's easy. But I never made one of these before. It's pretty difficult. Alright, stop moving over me. It's pretty difficult project.
I need it.
That's enough.
I take this in here.
No, bruh.
Z.
I'm gonna take this off and then I'm gonna paint the legs and put it on here. Cause I really
And
love
I'm painting this. Can you?
That's why I don't want nothing close.
I'm going to take the small one.
Why is it white? All you do is this. Put it in. Do not press hard. Then all you do is you don't even need that much. All you do is just pick it up. Why do you even have that?
Can you put this in a little like
Oh, come here, boy. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
I didn't mean to.
I guess I can't make that.
Daddy, do you really want hair? You could just paint hair. Ooh, sorry. Do you?
I did that.
Ooh, my
I
God.
did that.
Do you want to paint hair, Daddy?
Yeah.
Whoa! Stop doing that.
I got glue everywhere. Oh my gosh. Get this out of here. Get that out of there. Get that out of there. Oh man, the glue's blue now. The glue's blue now. Do not get no glue. Oh no. The glue's gonna turn green into the slime. Ah, blue fingers. Then I just color some. Alright, I need some hair. I need some hair. I need some hair. Hurry up, let me cut some hair.
Look at this ball.
Come here, let me just put some hair on the top. That's all I'm worried about is just putting hair on the top because that's how I'm gonna get done. Make sure there's no holes.
She likes lollipops. Look, she eats lollipops.
Get this.
Look, I made a lollipop.
Get this and get this and.
Go behind me, Daddy. Do not go in front of the camera.
Yeah!
Oh, this big knot will probably help. All you do is squirt glue everywhere with your big knots. And then you just, that's mine. Those foams are mine. That's mine, Daddy.
I'm trying to,
No, go get your own, bruh. That's mine.
ugh.
I'll put them on the spot right there.
Sprinkles on top. Oh,
I need glue for this so it can stickle in there. So
no, that's too hard.
Oh, look!
Nice.
They're orange!
guys, we're about to wrap it up.
No, Mom, I'm not done yet.
Yeah, we're about to wrap it up and get late. I gotta get ready for work. So,
Ladies and gentlemen, I got a crown for my cheeks, guys.
it's been on for an hour. Hold on.
Oh, Mom, I can't even make no hair.
Mom, look at mine. Mine's so crazy, Mom. Look.
Nice.
Look.
Look, Mom, I made a
wow.
lollipop.
The Mayan was the only person that got up to painting.
Hey, you guys. We're about to close up. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. Christmas Day. I hope you guys already get y'all Christmas shopping because I haven't done mine yet. I'm about to do it tomorrow. You guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. Deuces.
Deuces, guys. I don't got
Deuces.
no eyes.
Deuces,
I got
hair.
hairstyle. I got a baby bump.
Wow.
I stuck.
Hey guys, we're about to wrap up. I have to go to work, so I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, hit that bell to get more notification if you're new to my channel. So,
You cut this?
deuces.
Deuces. Cut it again. Deuces.
Deuces, guys. Deuces.